Hello, what is up, guys? Welcome to the first episode of our brand new podcast, Toddler Talk. Are you excited, Goops?
Yeah, bro, so excited.
Well, then let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Hardik, and here I am with one of my best friends, Goops. Tell them about yours.
Hi, myself Gopal, a 21-year-old intellectual. बस ये जो बात है ये मेरे बारे में सारे बातों को समाप्त करती है.
Okay, so here we are, kicking off with our first podcast where we throw our unpopular opinions on different shows, characters, and so on.
And before moving on, Hardik, I just want to say one more thing that whatever we're gonna say, these are our views and are not intended to malign any individuals. Yours can differ. Okay, so there is no need to offend about anything.
Okay. So, Goops, what are we talking about today?
Yeah, today, we are talking about the most famous and the funniest character in the history of sitcoms, and my personal favorite, Chandler Bing, another, aka Matthew Perry, from a very well-known show, Friends. वैसे तो we can't really arrange Friends character in descending order of people's favorite, but कहीं ना every Friends fan will admit that Chandler Bing is superior among them all. Are you agree?
Yeah, I agree with you on that. Yeah. Let's get started then. I think our friendship is more like Chandler and Joey.
Yeah, only if I get to be the Chandler. So, about Chandler. When we talk about Chandler, all we can think of is funny, sarcastic comments. In short, all the funny stuff only. But today we're gonna talk about that side of the Chandler जो show में इतना focus देके नहीं बताई. Here at Toddler Talks, we'll talk about of Chandler's sacrifices, his unconditional support to Joey and love for Monica. या यूँ कहे कि we'll talk that how Chandler Bing and his life experience helped me grow as a person.
Okay, it's been ages, since I watched Friends, so I may not be able to give more feedback, but Goops watched it recently and can give more opinions. Okay, the Almighty. Let me give some of my opinions right now. Okay, the Almighty sarcasm king Chandler. Childhood इतना अच्छा नहीं रहा. Parents got divorced at an early age. Okay, वो भी Thanksgiving Day पर. His father later became interested in men. I think Chandler के commitment issues का origin यही से हुआ. मेरे को भी यही लगता है. Let me tell you, there is one character that I think is the most annoying. Guess one.
Janice.
More of a forcing relationship between them, I would say. Now comes the London trip, okay, where Chandler came close to Monica. Chandler का best decision था, I think, Monica से शादी करनी. Monica became the very reason to the reunion of the Bings. What do you say, Goops?
Yeah, I agree. बिल्कुल 100% agreed. Chandler and Monica, या फिर यूं कहे कि मॉन्डलर, इन दोनों के रिलेशनशिप डेवलपमेंट को शो में इतनी खूबसूरती से दिखाया है ना भाई कि क्या ही बताएं. Remember that moment when Chandler took the day off from office only to clean house for Monica because Monica liked stuff, all the clean things. ये वो वही same Chandler है who was so pessimistic about love and relationship and so careless about his life. And so ऐसे tons of moment है शो में जहाँ Chandler evolved as a human being, more specifically as a partner. ठीक है. And bro, this Chandler and Monica's connection made me realize one thing, that falling in love with your best friend could be possibly the greatest thing that can ever happen to someone. What I have learned from Chandler Bing's love life is that for once in the life, we'll all meet Janice of our life, We really don't know at that moment who is the one and who is the not, but I believe everyone must be going through a lot of hurdles, but there is always a Monica for every Chandler out there. Wait till you meet yours. जब तक आपको अपनी मोनिका नहीं मिल जाती तब तक वेट करते रहिए. एंड जब आपको अपनी मोनिका मिलेगी ना गाइस लाइफ में, तो ऐसे ना सब ऐसे सही सा लगने लगेगा. एवरीथिंग विल जस्ट fall right into your place and
okay, wait. Wait, but how do we know that she's the one, Goops?
Actually, Hardik, that's the funny part. Actually, we really don't know about anyone, who is the one and who is the not. But I believe that there are some instincts जो अपने को ऐसे बता देते हैं when you are with that person. Yeah, maybe she is the one. And most important thing is that सबसे important thing जो है कि अब मैं love guru तो हूँ नहीं, तो let's move further and talk about Joy.
Okay, I think the duo of Joy and Chandler is one of the best strain of friendship there. Enough to tear up a grown-up.
Yeah, actually. I remember when Joey moved out from Chandler's house somewhere around season 2, I guess. But that moment is so vulnerable ना कि वो जब वो songs and all आते हैं, इतना वो vulnerable moment होता है कि भाई मैं तो बहुत ही emotional हो गया था उस time.
Yeah. And I think I remember some of my memorable moments. There's a Bridgeless Buddies and child handling Joy and वो मोनिका ने दी हुई stripper party, remember?
हाँ, वो तो वही कैसे बोल सकते हैं, वो तो सबसे funny और one of the funniest moment था शो का ना. And speaking of Joy and Chandler, I believe Joy was like a baby, and the way Chandler took care of him makes them the most powerful duo. Remember when Chandler fell in love with Joy's girlfriend Kathy? He was so in love, but he was so in love with Kathy, but just because the friendship was on stake, he repressed his feelings and back out. वो पता है वो इतना इजी नहीं होता ब्रो क्या किसी के लिए अपनी फीलिंग्स को रिप्रेस करके बैक आउट कर देना. चैंडलर ऑलवेज पुट जॉय एज हिज प्रायोरिटी, और मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में तो उसने जॉय को मोनिका से भी ऊपर रखा अपनी प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में. दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, वो कहते हैं सबसे, वो क्या कहते हैं उसको, ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ऑफ देयर फ्रेंडशिप. पूरे शो में बताया कि चैंडलर इज द वन हु नेवर वांटेड बेबी, बट आई बिलीव Chandler was the only one in the entire show having a baby from very start. No doubt it was Joy. Chandler being was the father without a baby. वैसे तो Chandler and Joy की friendship को शब्दों में बयां करना मुश्किल है, but still we try.
Not only sarcastic comments, but he is more than meets the eye. Lastly, when given choice between right and kind, always choose kind.
Yeah, ये Chandler Bing ने सिखाया.
I have to add a motivational line, Okay, let us know, guys, what are the other things that we should give opinions on. Signing off. See you next time. Wear mask. Stay home. Stay safe.
Okay, दोस्तों, तो time to say goodbye and हमें honest opinion देना कि ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ टॉडलर टॉक्स कि आपको कैसा लगा, और बताना कि हम आगे और किस चीज टॉपिक के बारे में, अगर आप किसके बारे में सुनना चाहेंगे. एंड अपनी हेल्थ का ध्यान रखें, घर में रहें और मास्क पहन के ही बाहर जाएं. ओके, बाय गाइस.